How to change Spotify password. Let's get started. First, launch your Spotify app. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Now head over to the option Account. Over here you're gonna find different option, but you won't find the option to reset your password. So what you wanna do is close this and launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box you will need to type in spotify.com/password, then reset. Once you type in this, you can search for it. You will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily change your Spotify's password. All you have to do is type in the email address that is linked with your account and then click on send link. Now you'll be getting mail from Spotify to reset your password. So close this and launch your mail and check. Launch the mail from Spotify, then click on the option reset password. You will be directed to this page. Create a new password. Type in the new password. Confirm it. Make sure your password includes all of these 10 characters, one letter, one number or a special character. Once you are done, click on create password. And just with that, your new password will be updated. And just with that, you have changed your Spotify password. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.